Hello YouTube, this is 300 Flood here. Today I'm going to be unlocking the Halo Reach Legendary Edition.
Don't hack it. Jesus. You're hacking your own box. How's that? You want me to do it?
It's my dad over there.
No, it slides off.
Okay. Alright, so... This is the black box, I think. Well,
Looks like a black box.
yeah, I know it's got something in it. I don't know what that.
Well, open it. You got a knife.
Right.
Don't hack it. Use some finesse.
Alright. Not quite sure how to open this. Right, there we go. Okay, it has a game in it. I know that there's...
Right.
This is just like an awesome game container. Oh no, it's something else in there.
What is it?
Thanks to the book, thanks to the notebook. The Spartan 1 notes, I think, are in here. Nice. Bonnie. I don't know if you can see that, but...
Cool.
This is awesome. Yep, notes.
It's a cool looking book.
Figure out how to open it now.
The opposite way you're trying.
I need the opposite for hold on. Alright, yeah, here we go. Here we go.
There's all kinds of stuff in here.
Yeah. I think I can
Is it a poster?
Oh my god, I'm dropping
Flap,
it.
flap.
Yeah.
Oh, it is a poster. I think this
Well,
is a
show me.
poster. I think this is a poster reach or something like a.
Cool. Look at that.
Here we got Halsey's pouch, I guess. Pick this up. Not sure what this is, but I think it's like an identification card for Halsey. This is a security camera. There's a bunch of pictures. Open the book yet, did I? Oh yeah, all the Spartan like diary stuff like that. Showing called the augmentations, whatever. And more random notes. Oh yeah, and here's the Noble Team statue thing. Well, that is awesome. You gotta admit. It says reach on it.
Nice.
And here's the statue.
Damn.
I guess you can put like different guns and stuff. And that's a 6-foot long sniper rifle for you. And you. I think that's it. Yeah. Don't know why you need this. An air absorber.
It's just to keep it dry. It absorbs moisture.
Oh, yeah. That was like.
Don't use it.
Gee, you think it only says don't eat all over. Yeah.
Kill you.
Obviously, they don't have their guns yet. I think I know. Yeah.
Alright.
Oop.
You can put it flat on the table.
You're right. Yeah, I'm apparently not very smart right now. So I'm like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's about it for me today. Goodbye, YouTube.